Hello, welcome to the MTF Subliminal YouTube channel. Today, I am going to reveal what all changes are done by HRT. Ready to kickstart an epic journey? Let's dive into MTF HRT together. You've probably heard about MTF Hormone Replacement Therapy, or HRT. But what can you really expect? The answers might totally blow your mind. If you're thinking about starting MTF HRT, you're probably curious about the changes ahead. Let's break it down and see what's up. In the first month, you may notice a decrease in libido and some mood changes. By the third month, my skin got softer and smoother. It felt like hitting the skincare jackpot. My pores got smaller and I had less acne. But I did have a breakout at first. No biggie if this happens. It's just your body getting with the program. Around the 6-month mark, breast development begins, and body fat starts to redistribute. Over several months, I noticed more fat around my hips, thighs, and buttocks, giving me a more feminine shape. My muscles also got smaller, and I felt a bit weaker. But remember, everyone's body is different. Breast growth is one of the most noticeable effects of HRT. It started for me as a tingling or tenderness in the nipple area. Over time, I experienced gradual breast growth, although the amount can vary widely. One of the first changes I noticed was fewer spontaneous erections and a smaller size of the genital tissue. Sexual arousal felt different too. Now let's talk about mental and emotional changes. Many people, including me, feel more at peace and true to themselves. You might feel emotions more strongly or find that your mood stabilizes. By the end of the first year, you can expect significant changes in body shape, reduced body hair, and further breast development. Facial and body hair may thin out and grow more slowly, but HRT alone might not get rid of it completely. Laser hair removal or electrolysis are often used with HRT for better results. So there you have it. Starting MTF HRT is a journey with many changes, some small, some big. Remember, every transition is unique, and your experience may vary. Always stay in touch with your healthcare provider and reach out for support when you need it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights and personal stories. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself.